BJP is going to be running for cover on our lead story tonight because the report into the mining scam has directly named on two charges the Karnataka Chief Minister presently holidaying somewhere in Mauritius, B.S. Yediyurappa. Looks difficult that the BJP will be able to defend him after this. Not just that, 4 other ministers have also been indicted. We have our South India Bureau Chief Dhanya Rajendran joining us for more on that. Dhanya, this is going to be explosive. Do you think the BJP will be able to hold on to this man?
Well, extremely difficult the BJP is going to find to once again defend B.S. Yediyurappa, because still now, whatever controversy, whatever charge or allegation has been made against the Chief Minister, the BJP and B.S. Yediyurappa maintain, I have not been indicted, he's not been indicted, there is no proof. But we have got information that the Lokayukta's second mining report is naming the Chief Minister on 2 counts. One is getting money from mining companies to a trust run by members of his family, including his sons and son-in-laws. The second charge is that he let the Reddy brothers continue as cabinet ministers in spite of so much proof against them. So 2 charges directly against the Chief Minister. The Lokayukta's report also indicts, like you said, 4 ministers, Janardhan Reddy, Karunakar Reddy, Sri Ramalu and Somana, all 4 of them from Bellary, B. Narendra, a BJP MLA, Anil Lad, a Congress Rajya Sabha MP, and also H.D. Kumaraswamy, former Chief Minister of Karnataka. So really tough going there for the BJP, and the Congress JDS also not really spared by this explosive report by Karnataka's Lokayukta Santosh Hegde.
Well, I don't think it's going to be possible for the BJP to decide on removing any one of them. Either the BJP decides to defend all of them or the BJP removes all of them. It's going to be a tough call this time. 4 ministers and the Karnataka Chief Minister directly indicted. That report will be formally submitted 4 or 5 days from now, but we already have all the details. We are following that story. Dhanya, thanks for that.